In this video, you'll learn exactly what TikTok is, how it works, and how it can benefit your business. You've probably come across TikTok recently and noticed its rise in popularity. You'd be forgiven for thinking it's just for young people and that it's a small player in the social media world. Incredibly though, the app was downloaded more than 1 billion times in 2018 and has now surpassed Facebook and Instagram in monthly installs. And because of this, TikTok represents the perfect opportunity for early adopters who want to expand their reach towards a younger audience. If you're not yet familiar, TikTok is a mobile social media video app that involves creating small, entertaining videos of up to 15 seconds on themes such as lip sync, comedy, singing, and other such talents. If you're ready to become one of the early adopters and use the app for your business, then stick around for our 9 best tips to help you succeed. Hi, I'm Kev. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the notifications bell so you'll be alerted every time we post a new video to help you with your video marketing. So, let's get started. Tip 1. Consider whether TikTok is right for you. According to most of the figures that are out there, TikTok's main audience at present consists of 12 to 24-year-olds. So, if this is an important demographic for your business, it could be worth focusing on building a strong presence on the platform before it gets saturated. However, just because the age of your target audience may be higher than this, it doesn't necessarily mean you should exclude TikTok altogether, as its demographic might start to shift to include an older audience as it continues to grow. If you're a B2B business with a more corporate clientele, then focusing your efforts on a more relevant platform such as LinkedIn is naturally much more likely to yield better results for your business than putting effort into a more playful one like TikTok. Tip 2. Know the 3 ad formats that exist on TikTok. When it comes to promoting your content as ads, there are 3 types of ad format on TikTok that you should be aware of. 1. Biddable. TikTok allows you to spend money on the platform in order to post an advertisement in the form of a 15-second long in-feed video ad. Currently, you can target age, gender, and location. Additionally, you can track relevant metrics such as cost per click and cost per 6-second view. 2. Brand takeover. This type of ad will appear immediately when a TikTok user opens the app. This is a full-screen ad that lasts up to 5 seconds and can be in the form of a video or static image. Users can be directed to an external page or a page within TikTok. An important point to note about this ad format is that at present it is limited to 1 ad per day. 3. Hashtag challenges. When you click on a promoted hashtag challenge, you'll be taken to a page which outlines a certain challenge associated with the hashtag, such as a challenge to create a type of lip sync video within a specified time frame. Hashtag challenges can be great for getting users on TikTok to engage with your brand in a more interactive way, which we'll get into in a little more detail in Tip 4. Tip 3. Make sure the content you post is both fun and creative. The corporate type of content that works well on platforms like LinkedIn won't work for your business on TikTok. TikTok's users love quirky, playful content, so ditch the formality. Try out more unique, creative and crazy ideas that still fit with your brand's identity. Tip 4. Use hashtag challenges. Here's how they work. You click on a promoted hashtag, read the challenge's rules, and then go wild creating. Sometimes you'll have to recreate a video or even provide a unique spin on a humorous topic. 2 of our favourite examples of businesses using the hashtag challenge have come from McDonald's and Guess. McDonald's created the hashtag Big Mac TikTok challenge in Malaysia, where users danced to a pre-recorded music clip. Users submitted their entries and a few lucky winners won cash prizes. Guess, on the other hand, did a hashtag In My Denim challenge, where users transformed a messy outfit into a better one using Guess clothes. It was a great success, with thousands of users submitting their funniest videos. What is great about these examples over more conventional adverts is that they encourage more interactivity between other TikTok users and your brand. To get more people to participate in your challenges, make sure they're fun to complete and stand out from the crowd. Also, try to associate your challenge with your brand or product, just like how Guess based their challenge on the theme of clothing. Tip 5. Collaborate with other producers. One of the quickest ways to grow your following on TikTok is to collaborate with popular influencers on the platform. One of the common ways of collaborating with other influencers on TikTok is by singing duets together or creating a string of videos that are in direct response to one another. When you have an influencer on board, the chances of your hashtag or videos appearing in users' popular feeds becomes much higher. And with an increase of brand visibility comes an increase in brand popularity. Call me psychic, but I think I know what you're thinking. You just can't wait to transform into Jay-Z and Beyonce with your favourite influencer and sing Crazy in Love for all the world to see. All in the name of business, of course. And in the fun and wacky world of TikTok, it may just work. Personally, I would go for Wanna Be Like You from the Disney 1969 classic, The Jungle Book. If you have some time, I would seriously recommend you check it out. Anyway, on a more serious note, let's move on. Tip 6. Use popular sounds to make yourself more popular. Popular sounds are trending songs and sound bites found on the For You page of TikTok. Use them in your videos to take advantage of emerging trends, which will increase the chances of your videos going viral. A good way to do this is to put them at the beginning of your video, so users will immediately recognize them. Tip 7. Use the best frame from your video as your thumbnail. Choosing the right thumbnail will increase the amount of engagement your video gets. You may have heard us give a lot of tips over what type of thumbnail image increases engagement. Well, with TikTok, you have to throw that rulebook out. What we've actually found is that having an awkward pose or a mid-action screenshot of a fail, a funny face or a chaotic scene instantly grabs the attention of TikTok's younger audience. So get more creative with your thumbnails. Tip 8. Choose a specialty for your videos. When it comes to building a greater following on TikTok, users will more likely follow an account when they know what type of content they're getting. So it's best to specialize in a particular style of content and then regularly produce it, whether it be lip syncing, comedy, singing, edits of trending videos, or whatever interests you. So start thinking and choose your specialty. Tip 9. Consistent content is the key to success. Posting frequently on TikTok is crucial for growing your audience. As you start to build your presence on the platform, your followers will want to see a consistent stream of engaging content from you. In addition to retaining your previous followers, consistently posting good content will attract new followers to your profile. As a minimum, you should be posting once a day, but twice a day or more is a good target to aim for if you really want to grow your followers at speed. But just as importantly, make sure you're consistent with whatever frequency you choose to post at, so that your followers know what to expect from you and can become accustomed to your updates at these time intervals. Well, we hope you found this video to be useful. If you follow our tips, you should see your presence on TikTok really start to grow. If you found this video to be useful, then make sure you subscribe to our channel so that when we release more videos to help you with your video marketing, you'll get notified. And if you need further help with your video marketing, you can get in touch with our agency at Spiel. Simply visit www.spielcreative.com. As always, thanks for watching and goodbye.